Yo people, alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that cinematic video which I done in Chinatown with my friend Elvina. Shout out to Elvina for helping me out and being so patient with me that day while doing that cinematic shot. So all the time lapse, all that was like done on my own time before she came. It was kind of pre-planned, but at the same time, uh, it was something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I'm just happy to showcase to you guys that cinematic Chinatown video at the start of this video. Anyway, if you guys already seen by the title of this video, I'm gonna teach you guys one of my favorite effects from this cinematic video, which is the eye transition, alright? So let's just hop right in right now. Alright, so we're now on Premiere Pro. Okay, so once you open Premiere Pro, okay, for me, I'm using these two clips, which is the time-lapse clips of the lantern, and then to Elvina's eye and out of Elvina's eye, and showcasing this large temple. So I'll be using these two clips. Anyway, okay, I just want to say, this tutorial at first when I was learning it, it was kind of overwhelming because like any new things, it's quite overwhelming. But I'll try my best today just to do a step-by-step tutorial for this eye transition, and it's actually quite simple once you get a hang of it. Actually, I did a lot of trial and error with this, and I found the simplest idea to understand how to do this. And yeah, you just need to follow step by step, and yeah, I would say just follow first, then try to understand. As you're doing it, then you'll understand. That's the trick to this eye transition, alright? So here we go. Let's just start. Okay, first thing first, what you do is, okay, the first step, okay, go to the first frame of her eye, click the export frame tool, the camera tool right here, click it, then it should be on JPEG, and press OK. Okay, I already did quite a number of trial and error before doing this tutorial, so I have like 2 extra right here, but whatever. After you're doing that, drag it over, put it at the top, and after that, go 17 frames back. I would say like, because I will try this out, this is based on trial and error, you can go 30 frames back if you want also, and I'll explain to you guys why later. But yeah, you go like between 17 to 30 frames back, and after that you just cut it, cut the rest, cut it out, alright? Okay, afterwards you click just the image at the top, and you create 2 keyframes, the scale and position under effects control of this image. Then you go all the way to the end and create the ending keyframes by clicking this 2 keyframe button, alright? Okay, afterwards you just go scale it up like that, scale it up all the way in as close as possible to the black part of the eye, and just like that, it's fine. Then afterwards, just doesn't matter, but this part is just basically you create a mask, alright? So this, you create a mask. You can either create with the eclipse mask right here, or if you want to be more accurate, like me, you can just use a pen tool. So here we go. Once you click the pen tool, this mask icon will come out, then you just create a mask. Ignore the rest of the things first. You create a mask around the black part of her eyes, smaller portion of her eye, just like that. Okay, you just do it based on your judgment and whatever eye you're working with. So just like that. Of course, I'll recommend you guys just take time with the masking, but just for tutorial sake. So that should be fine, I guess. Okay. Afterwards, what you do is you just increase the feather so that you don't create that sharp edges around the eye. So mine right now is 12. 12 is fine. Then afterwards, you go to the start of the image, where you create a keyframe at mask suspension. Then you create another keyframe right around here, will be fine, around the center. Another keyframe right there. And then, so we'll just decrease it, just like that, to make it gone. So it's just her eye. and gone. If you think it's too fast, the decrease, then you just drag it all the way back some more, and it should be fine. Yeah, I think it's still a bit too fast, you know. Okay, I think that's totally fine. Okay, now the next step. What you're gonna do is create another mask again, alright? Click on the image, create another mask, press the pen tool again, then it'll create a second mask. Let's go around here, this part of the frame. And once you click on the mask, then you make another mask around just the pupils of the eye, just like that. Should be fine. Okay, of course, just take your time with it. Most accurate job with this, right? And again, the next step, just increase the feather so that it can blend better with the surrounding and don't have a sharp edge. So feather is fine. Then okay, you see the problem right now is the difference is this second mask, you have to press the invert button here so that it can show her eye coming out, or else it will look weird. The first mask you don't press invert, the second mask then you press invert, okay? Remember that? Then you can slowly see the effect coming in, alright? Okay, so what you do next is remember to press the mask, second mask, alright? Then go to the toggle to the keyframe, create a keyframe on mask expansion again. Click it right there. And after that, go all the way to the end. Just decrease it, just like that, so that it can be gone. So as you guys can see, bam! Okay, so the next part is, okay, it doesn't look seamless, and why? That's because at the start, it's not, you go back to the position and scale. If you think it's not seamless, that is because you are not filling up the entire frame at the start of the scene, alright? So go back to the scale area, alright? Increase the scale, increase it even more until you hide it, just like that, and low, and it'll just be like this. Bam! Do you see that? Okay, let's just do it all over again. Bam! And that's how you do it. So one more time. Bam. Alright, so to make it more seamless, you go to effects, and this you just add in blur. So it can be directional blur. See, directional blur, put it on. Honestly, the direction doesn't really matter. So let's create a blur. Around the start right there, a bit, not too much. One is fine. And I think 7 is fine. Boom. Okay, so there's no seam. Bam! There you go. Bam! Bam! Okay. And to, of course, kick in a notch, alright? Of course, you need to add sound. So let me just add sound in. Alright, press play. Go. Right, so if you want to make it more seamless, you can of course slow it down. But yeah, boom. There you go. Alright guys, that's it for today's tutorial. Of course, if you want to make it more seamless and more the eye transition to be more in your favor, just play around with the keyframes. The idea is already there. So just play around with the keyframes and you'll get a more smooth eye transition. And yeah, I'm just giving you guys the gist of what is needed to create this transition just in Premiere Pro. Of course, you can do a better job in After Effects, but that's more on an advanced level, which I myself will pick up soon. But yeah, I hope you guys learned something new today with this Premiere Pro tutorial. And yeah, feel free to tag me if you guys ever do this eye transition and you guys learn something. Please leave a like, share, and yeah, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And yeah, take care. Bye bye.